Yo, what up? Sebastian Scherver here. This video is gonna go in English because I got a lot of questions every day from people around the world about my summer setup. So I figured out I need to make a video about it, and today I'm gonna show you guys my summer setup. Let's go. Alright, let's start with the plastic snow. So this plastic snow is from Scandinavian Shaper. I'm gonna link it below. It's made for skiing and snowboarding, like you can make turns on it. Pretty sick. Works very good. So I have 2 meters plastic snow on the jump and probably 7 meters to the start. So I have a good space to jump from the both sides and to get the speed I want. This one is formed like when we screwed it down. They just formed to the setup. I make a smooth jump and in run. I don't know what it's called, but we just bought it here in town. So I'm gonna show you under the setup. Yeah, you can't see that much, but you can see more how we built it under. On the jump. Okay, so on top we just have I don't know what this is, but just to have instead of only this, so we can put soap here, and then I can take my skis just so I can get the right speed. Yeah, you can use what you want on top, just to put some soap on and to have better grip with the skis. Alright, and I use this one to get on top of my ramp. I also have lights on both sides, and there and there, so I can ski when it's dark. Alright, so that was actually a ramp, so I'm gonna show you a little bit more about the rail. Alright, so let's start with the rail. This is just a PVC tube I bought in town. It's 6 meters long, but you can also have 5 meters. In the start I have 5 meters, but then I upgraded to 6 meters so I can take more tricks. So this thing right here we got custom made for the rails. I use 3 of them. This makes the tube very stable. So on the side and in the landing I have normal football grass. It works very good just for landing, and if you land on the side you have something to land on. In run you actually need one of those, and you can use football grass in the landing. I use this to get the summer setup wet, so I can get the good speed and get the tricks down. So yeah, I think that's it for a summer setup. If you have more questions, please comment below and I can answer them. But I still hope you get some answers on some questions you guys have. And this is my summer setup. Thanks for watching, subscribe and do all that shit. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.